Hi guys, this is Jinx. Welcome to my channel. This is me having invested 1 month of learning to trade, and I'll tell you how much have I achieved. So first, I was into budgeting, and once I was into budgeting, I wanted to save some money, create a emergency fund, and then I wanted to invest some money. So I invested in CMC Invest, and I was looking at ETFs, the like Nvidia, all those top stocks, how to invest. And then I was always looking at CMC Markets, and I did not have much knowledge, and I was very curious. So I started dabbing into the idea that I wanted to do trading. And once I started trading, I didn't know where to go. I was looking at all the informations in the internet, and then I googled. I found a Udemy course from Mosin, and that's how I started my journey. So I learned about candlesticks, learning to analyze the charts, technical aspect of the analysis, fundamental aspect of the analysis, using Finviz to research for the stocks. Then I learned about TradingView. Then I opened an account in CMC Trading and invested in shares. I was making some profit because I could understand a little bit of chart pattern. I did invest. Then I got into the idea that forex market is 24/5 open, and once I become a nurse, that is a kind of trading I like to do, because I cannot stay awake or adjust my timing to be awake for the US stock market. I want a bit more flexibility. But I was more comfortable with stock trading, and I was not comfortable with forex trading, and I incurred a loss of 800. I still want to, even though like I lost like $800, which is like half of my portfolio value, I still want to do forex trading because it's a bit more flexible, and once I'm a nurse, that would suit my lifestyle. And from forex trading, I got into the idea of algorithm trading. So I started downloading MLQ4 and 5 platforms. Then I started learning about expert advisors, which is scripts to algorithm trading, and I downloaded a course for that. So basically, I'm just so this is my progress till now, and going forward, I would like to put a lot more expert advisors in the MLQ4 platform and test it on a demo account, and I'll keep you updated how I go. So this is my roadmap, and if any one of you have any questions, do let me know. I'll try and help as much as I can. Thank you guys. Bye bye.